Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to combine table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with two tables. Now I combine these two tables in Google Docs. At first you have to select this last table. Then press Ctrl X on your keyboard to cut this table. Then press last left cell in first table. Then press Ctrl V. Now click outside this table. Now you can see I combine table in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.